Follow these steps to fix iPhone alarm not working. Let's get in. First, what you have to do is launch your settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option sound and haptics. Now, use the slider and increase the volume. Set it to the full list, then toggle off for the option change with buttons. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is head over to the option focus. Make sure you haven't enabled focus mode. If enabled, disable it. Then scroll down, navigate to the option General, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your iOS software to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is head back, reset all settings in your device. Click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings and go through the process. Following all these steps, you'll be good to go. Your alarm should work. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.